Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video we'll put chrome door sills on this beautiful 23 Outlander PHEV. Gas or PHEV Outlanders, same accessories. You can buy them at mrmitsubishi.ca. That's my accessory website. You just head there and you can place your order. You can also find the website link in the video description down below. You can click it and it'll direct you there. So on this Outlander PHEV, we added Outlander hood emblem, plus we have a lot of dynamic shield chrome going on. Of course, the Mitsubishi emblem is chrome. And then we'll be also adding the side moldings with a little bit chrome element. We have this plug-in hybrid EV chrome badge. Around the windows we have some chrome. And now the only thing that is missing is door sills on here. So as we open the door, we can see that this one has beautiful light gray interior. This one is GT fully loaded, and this is how they come in a box like this. Let's check it out real quick, how they look, and then we'll proceed to install. Okay, taped together nicely like this. Let's just take one out. I really like these door sills, and you can install them yourself real quick. So this is how they look. Beautiful Outlander lettering. Again, this will fit on PHEV and Outlander, makes no difference there. We have this nice protective film on there. Once it's installed, we'll remove it, and look how beautiful it shines. Now the install is very easy. So we have front left, front right. We just find the right door sill, find it in its placement. So on this one we can see it shows front right. And let's just take this and position it perfectly where we have to be. Now you got to prep the surface, degrease it and everything else. It's already done on this Outlander, but if you haven't done it yet, before you install, just make sure you use like alcohol rub or window cleaner or something like that. That'll clean the surface. Install extremely simple. But don't rush. I've done it a few times. It goes much faster for me. But when you do it first time, you just position where you want to be. You can see how this one has sort of like the angle of, this door sill part, right? So you want to line it up where it has to be. If you need to, just take a step back and move it around a little bit, find the best placement. So that way you don't regret the decision where you installed it. Once you've found the right place, it's as simple as flipping it over, removing the tape. And now, after you remove the tape, this is where you have to handle everything with extreme care, so to speak. Because it's very sticky, and once it's on, it's on. If you have to reposition it somewhere else, then it's going to be very, very hard. Okay, it's hard to remove today. That's how sticky it is. I think I got it. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right. And again, we just find the spot where we wanted. We got it. There we go. And now we just press. Make sure it sticks. And once it's done, we just remove the protective film. And there we go. This is how the end result looks after we remove the protective film. Looks super nice and shiny. And it actually serves the purpose and looks really, really cool. Once you open the door, instead of having just black metal there, we have this beautiful Outlander. Let's see how it looks. So the door is closed, we open the door, and we have a very big visual effect there. And this interior is light gray. It already looks super cool and luxurious, and this one just adds a little bit to it as well. So now what we'll do, we'll just follow these steps and we'll install the same thing on all 4 doors, and that's it. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, you can get this same accessory at mrmitsubishi.ca and do this quick and easy install yourself. So thank you so much for checking it out. See you next videos.